Okay, good morning and assalamu alaikum. My name is Muzna Fatima and I'm from grade 8C from Learn Academy. Okay, good morning and assalamu alaikum. My name is Muzna Fatima and I'm from grade 8C from Learn Academy. So today we are going to make a project on Google Class. We can do Python in it. So let's open it and do it. We will select new notebook. Okay, so this is my project. My computer teacher gives me a project. Like I have to make a lucky draw program. So into a list of students' name, use random dot choice to pick a winner. Skills list importing random modules. So let's plus code and then start. Okay, so we will write import random enter. Then we will tag the hashtag. The hashtag is for us, not for the computer. Step one, enter a list of students. Enter. Okay, so we will write students. The list of the name of the list is student. Then equals to. Then the square brackets and then the upper two commas and then we will write the student's name like Fatima. Then 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 again Hiba. Then Muzna. So I will write the name, just wait, and then we will continue. Okay, so I have written the names of my classmates, all of my classmates. Then we will write step two. Step two. Use random dot dot twice and then bracket to pick a winner. Enter. Okay, so we have to add that hashtag that computer don't read this program. Then you write winner. Then space equals to random dot twice and in the round bracket you write enter. Then print f the winner is oh sorry wait a second. Okay, so I have write print then bracket f then the commas the winner is then equals to the dot and then I have written this bracket. Then we can add any emoji by pressing Windows plus the full stop and add emoji here. So I have written this. So let's run the program and see who is the winner. Okay, it's taking some time. Okay, so congrats, Sufyan. You are the winner.